and then the thing returns in some other form or in the same form. You're suggesting that the thing needs to be done across the board in some way.
Before the observer acts upon it, upon the messy consciousness, right?
Yeah.
Saying, I will clear this up, give me time, all the rest of it. Mm-hmm. And that's a wastage of energy.
Right.
When the fact that you are that, you're not wasting energy, which is attention. I don't know if you want to go into this.
Oh, no, this is very interesting. Please do.
Would we agree that acting upon it is a wastage of energy?
Yes. Just creates more disorder.
No, it creates more disorder, and there is this constant conflict between me and the not me. Mm-hmm. The me who is the observer, and I battle with it.
Right.
Control it, suppress it, anxious, worry, but which is all essentially wastage of energy. Mm-hmm. Whereas this messy consciousness is me. I have come to realize that through attention. Not I have come to realize,
Would you say that the consciousness itself has come to realize it?
Yes.
I mean, without me, right?
Yes. Which is total attention I'm giving to this consciousness. There is attention and inattention. Inattention is wastage of energy. Attention is energy. When there is observation that consciousness is messy, that fact can only exist when there is total attention. And when there is total attention, it doesn't exist anymore, confusion. It's only inattention that creates the problems. Refute it.
But sir, I don't understand entirely what this total attention that you're talking about would only be able to have this effect if it somehow was something completely in the present and devoid of memory.
Of course, attention is that. If you if I attend to what you have said just now, devoid of memory, which is attention, I listen to you not only with the sensual ear, but with the other ear, which is I'm giving my whole attention to find out what you're saying, which is actually in the present. Attention, inattention, there is no center.
Because the attention and the thing attended to become one, you mean?
Huh?
You mean there's no center in the attention because the attention is all there is. The thing attended to and the attention is all there is.
No. There is messiness because I've been inattentive. Right?
Yes.
When there is the observation of the fact that the observer is the observed, and that state of observation in which there is no observer as the past, that is attention. So I don't know if you've gone into the question of meditation here. I don't, that's another subject.
Well, that may be a relevant subject. It seems that what you're talking about may happen partially.
It can't happen. Then you keep how partial mess and partial not mess. We're back again in the same position.
Yes.
But do you think this kind of attention you're talking about is the sort of thing that many people experience occasionally in moments of great beauty, or occasionally a piece of music they're really enjoying, lose themselves and so on? Do you think that many of us have had glimpses of this in these kinds of experience?
That's it. When I see a mountain, the majesty, the dignity and the depth of it drives away myself.
Mm-hmm.
A child with a toy, the toy absorbs him. Mountain has absorbed me. Toy has absorbed the child.
Mm-hmm.
I said that means there is something outside which will absorb me, which will make me peaceful. Which means an outside agency that will keep me quiet. God, prayer, looking up to something or other. If I reject an outside agency completely, nothing can absorb me. Then they say, well, if you absorb me, when you are gone, I'm back to myself.
Yes.
So I discard any sense of external agency which will absorb me. So I'm left with myself. That's my point.
I see. So you're suggesting that when this happens partially, it's because we're depending on something.
Yes, of course.
I see.
It's like my depending on my wife.
Or my therapist, or my problem.
Something or other.
Yeah.
Like a Hindu, Catholic, or anybody, they depend on something. Well, therefore, dependence demands attachment.
Now, it's possible to listen to you say this and have the idea of what you're talking about and try and do that.
You can't do it. That means you're acting again. You want something out of it. In exchange, I'll give you this, give me that. That's just a trade. Here it's not like that. You are inquiring into something which demands a great deal of thought, great deal of intelligence and attention that says, look, why is there this division, this mess in the world? Because our consciousness is messy, and so the world is messy. So, from that arises, is it possible to be free of the self? Consciousness, the messy consciousness is the self.
It's not possible to be free from the contents of consciousness, different experiences. As long as my eyes are open and I'm looking, I see all sorts of different things. Now, what you were saying about the attention when one's looking at a mountain, for example, are you suggesting that if I have that same kind of attention to everything I experience, that then this is the same?
Again, you experience.
Yes, well, all right, but
you are the experience.
Yes.
Right? That means there is no experience.
There's just attention, you mean?
Experience involves remembrance. Time. And which is the past. Therefore, the experiencer is the experienced. If I seek illumination, enlightenment, or whatever you might like to call it, I'm then trying to do all kinds of things to achieve that. But I don't know what illumination is. I don't know. Not because you said it, or Buddha said it, or somebody else said it.